How you doing, boss?
Please
Name
remove
it.
this guy.
Excuse me.
Well, we can talk outside.
Name and badge
Thank you.
number.
Sergeant Perez, 39.
Sergeant Perez, I'm here to do a public records request.
This is not.
She
He's
just-
requesting something that we don't
Go ahead.
do
I
here.
let them talk. Go ahead. I'm not committing a scene or anything like that. Go
Yes,
ahead.
you are. You start filming with no permission.
Everything's-
There's signs everywhere. There's no cameras here.
Tell them, Sarge.
What do you want me to tell him?
Okay, this is what I'm here for. I'm here for public records, right? She took. Everything's recorded. If she's lying, she's making a false report.
Can we talk outside?
No, let's talk right here because I ain't
talk
doing nothing
outside?
wrong. I'm here to do a public records
If they're
request.
trespassing you, if they're asking
How are you
to
gonna
leave,
trespass me? Those are my rights.
I don't know anything about that.
But you're a sergeant.
No, what I'm saying is, as far as you being in here. it's
Yes,
all-
I'm
it's all
here,
appointment.
constitutional rights. I'm here
do
to
what?
do a public records request, and she's telling me, Sarge Perez,
What place is this?
this is where you do immigration papers. So I'm here to do, Sergeant Perez, please, let's de-escalate, for you can investigate both sides. My side is that I'm here.
Escalated.
Alright, guys, buckle up because this clip throws you straight into tension with no warm-up. The moment filming starts, authority is challenged and credentials are demanded, setting a confrontational tone instantly. What makes this powerful is how fast control is contested. No yelling yet, just firm words and confidence on both sides. This is the hook that pulls viewers in, because you can immediately sense that neither side is backing down. It's a classic opening where a routine interaction turns serious within seconds, signaling that this encounter is going to be about power, rights, and who actually knows the law.
You're telling me to
It sounds
come.
like you're escalated.
Okay, I don't want to go there, but I'm not doing anything wrong. Don't twist it up.
I'm not twisting.
I'm
you.
here
You're
to
just-
do.
It seems you're obviously.
Sergeant, I'm here to do a constitutional right record request. She's telling me that I got to do it online.
Okay.
And I don't have to do it online because under my constitutional rights of public acts in Illinois, a
this-
state constitution.
Is this a?
Tells
is this
me-
a federal?
Yes,
Immigration?
and I have
So you might have to- That rules might fall under federal.
federal, especially Sarge. You guys need training on it because if not, you're violating people's rights without having that training.
Right. Okay.
I'm-
So
I'm
explain
here-
to me about the.
Okay, the thing is,
Okay, well, let's
No,
get
no,
out of the
no,
way. Let's
I-
get out of the way.
Yes, he's
I
on
don't-
the entrance. Please.
no, well,
All right.
here.
Explain to me where I'm short on my training.
But this is what's happening, Sergeant Perez. I'm here on a constitutional right, right?
Okay.
The constitutional right is the Public FOIA Act of Illinois and federal and state. Federal is
So she's
overtakes.
not refusing.
She's
you
telling
for it,
me,
you have to
no,
do it
she's
online.
telling me this. No, you don't. I have the right to do it in person. Many of us can go to do it on computers. Some of us don't know about computers. So I'm doing it in person because I have the right to do it in person. She's telling me I don't know what that is, but here.
Alright, guys, this is where the clash really takes shape. The filmer clearly states his purpose and calmly asserts his rights, while the officer pushes back by questioning permission and filming itself. What's important here is the shift from conversation to control. This is no longer about information, it's about authority. You can hear the frustration build as legal language starts flying, and both sides dig in. This part lays the foundation for everything that follows, because it establishes the core issue, whether rights are respected by default or treated as a problem.
She gave me a form to
Is that
call.
the form that she gave you?
No, she took it back from my hands. I'm very,
Do you want me to get the form?
very disrespectful. Yes, but I want to do my public records here. I want to write it down on a sheet of paper. She don't even want to give me the form, but get that from her, that 1-800 form, because I'm calling the Inspector General that she's violating the Public FOIA Act. And then if you're throwing me out of here and trying to trespass me from a public area without committing a crime, you are also violating my First Amendment right.
Okay.
I know people laugh about this because they don't know their rights,
Yeah.
but I do.
Okay, good.
And this is not my first rodeo,
Okay,
bro.
so would you like me to get the?
Yes,
Yeah, you're being recorded too.
I have 1,100 people watching. A couple of them are lawyers.
Very nice. So would you like that FOIA?
Yes,
Okay,
and I
just
would
stand
like
right
to
here.
fill it out.
Okay, just stand by right here.
But why would I stand out here, Sarge?
Here you go.
Oh, I'm also making a complaint on you.
Yeah, you would have to do that to their.
Oh no, there's supposed to be a supervisor here. I want to be able to fill this out, turn it in here, and get a timestamp like they did to me in the other place.
What other place?
The same type of place. I got me my stamp time, and the supervisor signed it. Here they don't want to comply.
So
It's
what
the
is
same
it that
thing.
you're asking for?
I want to ask of this place the same thing I asked of the other place. I want to know.
It's a federal office.
It says federal office. That's right. So I have my rights to do so.
Right, yeah,
Yes.
okay, but if,
And
I don't understand what you,
okay, I want to make my public records because I want to be able to sit somewhere, write it down, and give it to her and turn it in for she could give me a timestamp.
yeah, well,
We're not asking for anything criminal here. These are rights.
right, but.
She can't throw me out because I'm asking for public records. I want to fill it out.
Here, let's work on it.
Go ahead, Perez.
Let's work on that, okay?
Just very simple. Tell her give me a pen so I could sit down and write it out, bro.
Alright, guys, now we enter the legal battleground. The filmer brings up state and federal law, FOIA, and constitutional protections, while the officer struggles to confidently respond. This is where uncertainty becomes visible, and that's critical. When an officer can't clearly explain the law but still tries to enforce control, tension multiplies. The attempt to move the conversation elsewhere feels less like de-escalation and more like avoidance. This moment exposes how quickly authority weakens when challenged with specific legal knowledge and calm persistence.
Look at that shit. You're the man, brother.
There you go.
You're the man. Where can I sit down?
Let's, does he have is there a? He can record this. Here we go.
You see, he knows our rights.
Yeah,
You see that?
But
He's telling her.
but there's also a way to talk to people. Let's go sit down.
Perez, you see how I've been talking to you. You're my guy, bro. You gave me a pen. You know I'm not a threat. You won't give me a damn pen if I was a threat. They think that I can't record in here because they have these signs.
You've been recording since.
Yeah. But
Your business is done.
no. But the thing, no, Sarge. Place, time, and manner. The place is a public place.
Very nice.
A manner is
I
the
get
way
it.
I'm behaving, and time, place, and manner is open.
I get it.
Well, why are you kicking me out?
I'm not kicking you out, but I have other things to do. And I
But
can't
you
sit
could
here all
go.
day.
You don't have to sit with me.
Well, I kind of do because they don't want you here. All
But
right, come on.
okay, are you
What's
giving
your
me
name?
a trespass?
What's your name?
Why does that matter?
Well, you know my name. What's your name?
Yeah, but that doesn't. I'm doing
Sir,
look,
let's go. because I
Sergeant
can't sit
Perez.
here.
This is
Can't
supposed
sit
to
here
be
all day.
anonymous.
Okay, then.
That's another law.
Very nice.
I'm
Let's-
explaining them to you, and you just don't
very
care
nice.
about my rights.
Very nice. Let's go.
I'm gonna go to the police station, put in a complaint on you.
That's your right. We'll
It's
be
my
there.
right, and then on top of that, I'm gonna put an intent to sue on Sergeant Perez.
Very nice.
So you just don't care. You throwing me out? You trespassing me?
I'm asking you to leave.
I'm asking, and
I'm
then
asking you to leave.
if I'm gonna be
asking you to
arrested if I don't.
I'm asking you to leave. I'm asking you nicely, man to man.
Okay, but
you
why
leave?
do I have to leave? I have to record these things on the wall.
You've recorded. You've been
No,
recording since I've been here.
you got. She called the police on me. I haven't been able to record none of that stuff. None of this stuff that is public.
Point your cameras.
Oh, so I can't go and take my time and explain it to my audience?
But your
I'm not
audience,
bu-
I don't care about. They have business to conduct.
I just wanna
You're
know.
obviously making it so that way you're making it difficult for them to
No,
conduct
they-
business. So if we can go,
I want to know
Because these people
is it
also
a
have a right.
lawful demand that you're making?
I'm asking you.
Asking is not the same.
I'm asking
Law.
you,
Am-
man to man, could you let
Okay,
go?
but I'm not creating a disturbance.
As a matter of fact, you kind of are. What's a
Okay, so
disturbance?
now you want to twist it because
What's a
my
disturbance?
rights are the disturbance.
What's the
A
disturbance?
constitutional right is a
You
disturbance.
have a constitutional right to ask the questions.
I
They've
wanna
given
be
you-
able to
they-
record everything that's on the
They've
walls.
given you an avenue to take
Okay,
care of it.
I want to know if I do not comply, will I be arrested?
Mr. Unknown, can we get going?
I want to
Please,
know.
because we have a lot of time.
I understand.
And
I'm not
I need to
violating.
get you over to the station so that way you can sue me and you can make a complaint.
I know you heard that many times.
Alright, guys, this is a turning point. The accusation that a form was taken back escalates the encounter from disagreement to alleged misconduct. Mentioning the Inspector General isn't just talk, it raises the stakes and changes the dynamic instantly. You can feel the frustration sharpen as the filmer insists on basic access and documentation. This part matters because it transforms the situation into a potential official complaint, forcing everyone involved to realize this interaction is now on record, legally and publicly.
I want to know if I don't leave, if I'm going to be arrested.
Listen, if you continue to make a disturbance that they...
I'm not making a
decide
disturbance. You
complaints,
talking to me.
Okay?
That'll be a lie, and you under a color of law are gonna try to hem me up on some false charges.
What false charges?
You're saying that I'm creating a
Can we
disturbance.
please leave?
I'm not creating a disturbance. I want to be able to record this on the walls.
Well, let's go. Let's record.
But you don't have to babysit me.
Why not?
You're not familiar, Sergeant, with these
I'm
rights?
not babysitting you. Let's go. You say you want to record. Let's
Yeah,
record.
but it's not at your time.
Come on.
No. I want to know, am I going to be arrested if I stay recording here?
I'm asking you to come and record.
I'm doing a specific question for my attorney. If I continue to record here, you're going to hem me up for disturbance. You just said it. You just said it on camera.
Come on.
No, it's not up to you, Sergeant. It's not up to you. These are my rights.
So now here you are making a disturbance.
Now I'm making a disturbance. I'm going to be arrested. Then.
Asking you either let's
Wow,
go
he's
record,
hemming me up, Your Honor.
or let's go. Your Honor, you haven't.
No, he's going to be seeing this through my attorney.
Okay.
What you're doing, you are violating my rights on the color of law.
Really?
Yeah, you're telling me that if I don't walk that way,
Keep dropping paper.
I'm creating a disturbance.
Did I say that? That's
You
not
just
what I
finished
said.
saying that,
I
bro.
asked you if you want to go record. Let's
Okay,
go
but
record.
just leave me alone. I'm not creating a disturbance. Just leave me alone. Go do your job.
I am doing my job. That's why I'm here, because of you. Can we get this done?
Do you guys hear that? If you under threats of arresting me, I'll leave.
Did I say that?
No, I just want to
I'm
know.
asking you man to man. Can you get this done?
Yeah, but I just want to stand here and be able to record your behavior.
Record. We're both recording each other.
You just saying that you trying to hem me up for creating a disturbance.
Alright, guys, this is where the word trespass enters, and everything intensifies. The filmer openly challenges the idea of being removed from a public federal space without committing a crime. He references the First Amendment, live stream viewers, and legal accountability, which adds pressure. This section is powerful because it shows how quickly lawful presence can be reframed as a problem. The officer's responses grow more cautious, while the filmer grows more assertive, making this a clear clash between policy enforcement and constitutional limits.
She just said that on camera, Sergeant
I
Perez.
asked you, do you want to record?
Okay, but just leave me be.
I'm right here.
I'm molested.
Who's molesting you?
You are.
How?
You're trying to impede.
So how I'm acting towards you
You're
is
trying to
disturbing
impede.
you?
You're trying to force me
So
to
how
do.
you act disturbs people is what you're trying to say?
I don't know what you're saying.
What are you
Perez.
saying?
I want to know on the threat of arrest, I will leave.
Do you want to record or you don't want to record?
I want to
Do you
record.
want
I'm
to record?
molested.
Well, let's go. Let's record. How
you
about this?
want
I
to
will
hook me
record.
up.
I will record.
You want to violate my rights on camera.
I'm helping you exercise your rights.
No, I'm scared of what you already said out of your mouth, bro.
What did I say?
You said if I
Somebody
maybe.
who supposedly knows the law.
Yeah.
Come on.
Look at this guy.
Step one. Please comply.
Unbelievable, bro. He's a sergeant. He's a supervisor.
Provide receptionist.
That officer there knows the rights,
Fill out survey.
but he don't. He just told I could stay here and record, but the sergeant's saying otherwise.
Because
That officer just told them the law,
Okay.
that I could be here
But
and
the law
record.
goes both ways. You have a right to do a thing, but you also don't have a right to cause a disturbance.
I'm not talking to you as a disturbance. That's all I've
You've been
been.
elevated since I've been
I
here.
haven't talked to them.
You've been elevated since I've been here. And
No,
you've been
it's-
accusatory to everybody.
No, I'm
it.
accusatory. Look at where he's taking this story. This is my lawyer's watching it.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Very
that's
nice.
Sergeant Perez from Burbank Police Department. Under threat of arrest, I'll leave if that's what you want to do. I'm scared to even follow you after you told me what you just said. He's telling them that I have the right, and you're going to tell me otherwise. He told me I could stay here. He
What
said it
did
right
exactly
there.
I say?
You're saying that I'm creating a disturbance just by talking to you?
I didn't say that. Did
I'm
I say
scared.
that exactly? I think
Yeah,
that
something like
what I
that.
said-
Something in those
what I
tones.
said is that you decided that I was disturbing you, right?
Okay,
And
let me
I
be.
asked you to maybe, possibly, review your own behavior according to your own definition,
Okay.
right?
What's
So
my
your
name?
own behavior according to your own definition, right? Because I was disturbing you, because I was talking to you, all of a sudden you thought I was going to arrest you under the color of law, right?
On my
And so
rights.
the way that you act, how you present yourself, right, causes a disturbance. because allegedly I was disturbing you, right?
Well, that's a hell of a way to explain it.
That's your explanation. That's how you explained it. That's what you threatened me with.
No, I just know the law, bro. This is not my first rodeo. I've been gone all the way to the chief, the manager or supervisor of the town, and everyone in between for this type of stuff when you try to kick me out of a place that I have the right to record these walls.
Okay. But I'm giving you the chance to record.
But what chance? It's not up to you, my constitutional right, unless you want to violate them.
Go ahead.
Well, just leave me be. Go do your job. Wasn't you busy?
I'm actually here to do my
I don't
job.
want to talk to you because then you say that I'm creating a disturbance. You heard that, Your Honor, right? If I talk to him, I'm creating a disturbance. This is where our constitutional rights have been gone in this country.
Alright, guys, the second incident drives the message home. A simple roadside interaction turns into an ID demand without a stated crime, and the driver calmly refuses while explaining past negative experiences. What stands out here is composure. The driver doesn't escalate, he questions legitimacy. Officers label normal resistance as suspicious, exposing how compliance is often expected, not earned. The encounter